So if you hear me talking, I'm not talking to myself. Well, I'll be talking to myself in front of the camera. In front of the camera. Okay. I got mail before I went out on the dyno. Okay, let's see what I got. Because I order stuff and forget what I order half the time. And when I get it, I'll be like, oh yeah. Oh. Yep, okay. This is to help get my Sportster running. These are the handy kit. Burrow wall. These wire connectors, when you heat them up, they shrink. I like that. The wire connectors got the shrink wrap around them. That's what I've been waiting for. Now I can work on the Sportster, so I can start riding that. Oh, I forgot about this. That's my drone. Come on. Go up out of there. There you go. Alright. It's a Holy Stone drone. That's going to help me with better videos, of course. Wow. Never owned a drone before. Okay. Oh. That's the problem. Yep, I totally forgot about it. Wow. Manual. Okay, let's see. Down there. Oh, extra propellers. Wow, cool. Extra blades. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So where does... Oh, right there. Yeah, right there. Put the card right there. Awesome. Cool deal. Alright. Man, this is gonna be badass. Well, badass to me anyway. That's totally something I gotta figure out and learn. Oh, these were the extra legs too to land on. Awesome. Ah. Cool. Oh, and a charger. I mean, charging cord. Oh, nice. That's it, I guess. Okay, I take it. Let's see. Oh, they do it this way. This way. I take it that. I'll have to download it in my phone, but I got an old phone. It's a piece of shit phone. Phone they don't make anymore. Alright. Okay. Rubber. I mean, it's like foam over the controller. Like foam. Okay. Awesome. Okay. This way. This way. Yes. There we go. Alright. Now I gotta do some research and figure this shit out and read the book. I gotta read the manual. Figure it out. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna put that right back. Put that in there. Put that in there. Put this in there. Put this back. I guess. Oh, wait. I'll just put it this way. Yeah, well, the blades go straight. Okay, like that. There. Okay. Oh. Maybe this goes the other way. Like that, and then down. Oh. Oh. Okay. This end here goes this way. There. Went just right. Duh. Come on, Bill. Wake the fuck up. Alright. This will probably be on another weekend. I got too much shit going on this weekend to do it. But in the meantime, when I'm ready to do it, I'll keep you up to date. Everybody will be up to date when I'm done figuring it out. And the book is pretty thick too. Damn. Oh. It's probably in Spanish or Japanese bullshit along with the English, so that's probably why. Okay. There. Alrighty. So I don't do much. I don't do too many unboxing videos. I just open the fuckers up and just get started. But I figured, what the hell, I'll do my first unboxing of whatever I get. You know, I just totally forgot about the drone because I paid for it a while ago. Just got it today. So, anyway, get down in there. Put that back, put that back. Okay. So, yeah. Can't wait till I get the Sportster going. I've been waiting on that. So, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, thumbs up, comments down below, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for future videos. Have a good day. Take care. Be safe.